Kenny Boardman will be the back line. Nomads trying to set something up here, taking their time. Kenny went on the near side, a long ball into the box, and it's headed out. Lattenberg tries to play it up for Boardman, and it's going to be... Now here come the Nomads, attacking ahead. Kenny Wynn's got 3 men ahead of him. Nice move to try to get around a defender. He gains control of the ball, doesn't quite get around him, but still keeps possession. That was another good move by Kenny. Kenny kicks it in the box. Nomads, there's a shot. Oh, and it hits the post. Excellent shot there. And a great opportunity there for the Nomads. That was number 16, Kenny Boardman, and his shot just hit the far post. Over to Boardman. Boardman on the far side. Taking got Kenny Wynn sprinting right by him on the right. Doesn't leave it for him. Instead goes into the middle. And he's crossing past the Reason. Reason trying to move into the box. He's got Barker marking him. Good. And Watson and Boardman playing it back and forth, and it's Boardman who collects it for San Diego. Good move to try to get around the defender there. Kenny Wynn on the restart for the Nomads. Cross it. Watson against the Salt Lake Sting. And obviously this one, actually there's 2 other games, I don't remember this one right here. In the Salt Lake, Colorado game, Colorado shut out Salt Lake 2-0. As Martin tries to get around Philippi, plays it back. Well, he tries to get it across to Reason, he can't do it. US had a tie of 1-0. It was Paul Wright. Let the one go, there's another goal for the Nomads. Number 19, John Gerard, catch that one. Goals coming within about 13 minutes of each other. Boardman takes it all the way down, and a good play there by Darryl Green to skip the ball from Boardman and keep it in bounds for the Nomads. They lead 2-0 with just under 7.5 minutes to go. Boardman caught the rest of that one. He collects it for Lattenberg. Lattenberg takes someone in the box. Reason hits it down the line. Oh, what a shot! Hits the post. Wynn lines up and he hits it wide.
High school, and next Saturday for the home game here against the LC. Thank you, youngsters.
And that's going to do it. That's the end of regulation. And we're here with defender Kenny Boardman of the San Diego Nomads. First of all, Kenny, congratulations on a good game. And second, you guys played a really good defensive game. You obviously shut them out. What were the keys to keeping them out of the nets?
Well, we did exactly what the coach wanted. You know, we have to contain the forward liners, make sure they don't break through, and we distributed the ball like we should, and we made the goals.
It seems like most of the defenders were moving up a lot, and you guys were playing up and creating a lot of chances up in front. Is that what you intended to do tonight?
Yeah, because it's the style we play. The coach encouraged defenders to overlap and help the forward liners, and by doing that, we create a lot of chances for the forward liners.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot.